The jewelry squirrel is here to tell you all about what's real and what's a mirage. Hi everyone, it's Alicia from Spoken Stone. Today we are going to talk about how to tell the difference between 1920s, 1930s authentic rings and reproductions of 1920s, 1930s rings. So here we go. Can you guess which rings are authentic and which ones are reproductions? Just take a quick moment and think. Alright, if you said these were all reproductions, you were right. All of these rings are from the 1970s, 1960s. All of the rings on this side are from the early 20th century, 1920s, 1930s. Now, the most important thing when identifying if something's a reproduction or not is you want to look at the back. It will tell you far more than the front. First thing we're looking at is right here. There's a design going all the way around the band. That's something to look for. This is actually an Egyptian revival ring. This ring here is Art Deco. You see how the back is open on this, and look at how much time and effort was spent on the construction of the actual setting. Here's another 1920s, 1930s ring. You see again, the back has a lot of detail to it, and there's an open work as well. So if you look at the back of these, you can see how much more cheaply made they are. They're just casted. This one is really cheaply made. The band's just soldered on to the face. This one's probably the more nicer quality of them. This is probably like an early 60s one. You kind of see that they kind of try to do some copying of the actual Art Deco rings. And then here's another one. So just going to compare the two. So here's an example of a really nice, Art Deco 1920s ring. Here's a really poorly done, 1920s aesthetic ring. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know. If it wasn't, also let me know. Just please feel free to like and subscribe in the comment section. Tell me what you want to see next, and I'm really excited to be doing these videos, and thank you guys for watching. Oh yeah, and my motto is, don't think, just do, which is how I am whenever I buy jewelry. Just buy it, don't think.